Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the issue of debentures. Today I will tell you the scheme of accounting treatments related with the terms issue of debentures. Now you may see here, these are the terms of issue of debentures. First is issued at par, payable at par. That is referring to the suppose uh, issued at par the value is 100. Repayment is also 100. But the issued at discount suppose is uh, payment is 95 receiving but repayable at 100. When issued at premium means suppose 110 is receiving with premium but repayable at 100. Next is the issued at par. Where I am referring to the par, it means I am referring to the face value of a debentures. And now issued at par means 100 and redemptions at premium may be 10, that means 110. Next is issued at discount, that means suppose after discount 95 and then repayable with premium means 100 plus 10, that means 110. These are the example I am attaching now. Okay, what does it mean? Now the issued at premium, when issued at premium means 100 plus 10, that means 110, and the premium issued at premium, that is referring to 100 plus 10. So these are the examples now which I am going to one by one to discussions. You may see here the first example issued at par and payable at par. Suppose I am taking the one example here when par value is 100. When it is of 100 and repayable at par. So you have to make focus on the first half, that is at par. So when the par is means the money is coming at par means 100 rupees up to the face value. So the first entry will be passed with the money received. That is suppose par 100. Again is the same value is to be debited and transferred to the debentures account with the face value of the debentures. If it is par equivalents to par, it means the face value is also 100 and the number of debenture is to be multiplied here. Now next is the come to the next conditions now. Issued at discount and repayable at par. When I am talking at discount, suppose I am taking 5 rupees of the discount. So the first entry will be passed with the 95. If the entries are the same, where the changes are coming to the first entry, we are taking here the first entry is same but the value is 95, means the after deducting the discount value. So the same entry is to be debited with the name of debentures application and allotment called as 95. But debentures always remain equivalent to the face value if the debenture value is 100. So it will place 100 and the discount is with the 5. So entry is 95 debit, 5 is debit and then 100 of debenture is credited. So you have to multiply all the figures with the number of debentures. Now next is the issue of premium and payable at par. Par word is referring to 100 value. Suppose I am taking the premium value rupees 10. So now you may see issued at premium. It means the money is receiving including with premium 100 plus 10. It means that this entry is passed with 110. And then the same is to be debited with the debentures application and allotment 110. But the debentures will lead to the face value 100 and the security premiums will be lead with the premium value 10. So these are the example and to be multiplied by the number of debentures issued. Next is the issued at par and redeemable at premium. So when issued at par, it means the first entry referring to the money is receiving at par. So suppose 100, that means the first entry will be passed with 100. So 100 is debited with the name of debentures application and allotment. But when the premium is paid at the time of redemption, it is a loss for the organization. When it is a loss, so the first you may have to think about to the when the premium on redemption is there, it means that you have the one entry loss on issue of debentures to the premium on redemption. Here the combined entry is passed for this. Debentures application and allotment money will be transferred to the debentures account equivalent to your face value, that means your par value, and the premium on redemption amount, suppose I am taking here 10. When it is 10, the 10 will go to the loss on debentures. So again listen, the debenture applications and allotment with 100, loss with 10, premium debentures with 100 again equivalents to the debenture applications money, and the premium will 10. It means the premium amount is transferring to the loss. Now next is issued at discount and the redemption at premium. When issued at discount is there, again the first entry is coming after discount. It means the suppose the 5 is, it means this entry is passing with the 5. So now you may see earlier we discussed about the discount, the debentures application with the 95, discount with 5, and then to the debentures with 100. But here two losses are there. One is discount, second is premium on redemption. So you may combine the both also, you may write separately also. So but the first entry is premium application with 95, discount with 5, and two debentures with 100. And then the premium on redemptions is credited and transferred to the loss with the debited name loss on issue of debentures with suppose 10. So you may see the losses are here on the debit side with the name of two. One is discount and second is loss on issue of premium on redemption. So here you may write down the one word in place of the two, loss on issue of debentures, discount value as well as the premium on redemptions value. You may pass separately or you may do collectively also. Next is issued at premium and redeemable at premium. Here I am referring the 10 rupees for the premium issued, and suppose I am varying the both premium 10 and redemption premium is 20. So just to listen about the face value is 100. So how will you pass now the entry? First is the issued at premium is 10. When it is 10, the first entry will be passed 100 plus 10. That means the issued value will be attached, not the redemption premium. So 110 will be taken here. First entry, bank account debit to the debentures application and allotment will be again debited with the same 110. Now how will you shift this 110? By transferring to the debentures with the 100 and to the security premium. This word is for the issue of premium, that is 10. So this is the complete entry of the allocation of 110. Now I am moving to the second half, redemption at premium, that is 20. So it means the loss will be entertained with 20 and multiplied by the number of debenture issued. Thank you.